In this tutorial I will show you how to convert crypto in Binance. I will show you how to convert first on the Binance application, and after that I will show you on the browser. Now you'll have to find the convert tool. If you go to all, this is the Binance application, and now select convert, and this just pop up on my other screen. I will show you how this functions. At the top here you'll have to select what coin you like to convert. As an example, I have some USDT. You can select some Doge to convert into Bitcoin, or you can select some BNB to convert into anything else. Here select what you'd like to convert. I will select USDT, and let's see now in what we have to convert it. And for the sake of this tutorial, I think I will convert it into some Dogecoin. Yeah, why not? Now you'll have to type the amount, as an example 2 or 3 USD, or you can go all the way to maximum to the amount which your account is holding. I will convert just 3 USDT into some Dogecoin. Here you have the current rate. And now let's press on preview. Have a quick glance right here, and if you're happy with what you're seeing, press on convert, and in this way we just converted some USDT into some Dogecoin. Now we can press on OK, and we're done. And if by any chance you'd like to convert some crypto on the browser on Binance.com, you'll find the same tool right here at Trade, then Convert and Block Trade. Let's press on this one, and the same menu just pop up. So this is how to convert cryptocurrencies on Binance.